So this morning in Sevastopol, where both the Russian and the Ukrainian Black Sea fleets are based, a group of Russian soldiers and self-defense members raided the base of the Ukrainian fleet today. Alexander Vitko, who's the head of the Russian Black Sea Fleet, was seen entering the building. The head of the Ukrainian Black Sea Fleet, meanwhile, first tried to hide, apparently, from the Russian soldiers, according to one of the self-defense men that I spoke to. But afterwards, he was taken by Russian special services and moved to an unknown location. The Russian soldiers and militiamen, they knocked down the main gate to the building. They broke a few doors and windows, and some of the Ukrainian officers accused them of roughing them up and being quite rude. There was a Russian flag that was hoisted onto the top of the base. But now everything is quite peaceful. Basically, all the Ukrainian soldiers are leaving the base now without much resistance. Some of the Ukrainian soldiers who were leaving the building said that they were still waiting for orders from Kiev and that there's a chance that they could come back with kind of reinforced Ukrainian forces. But at the moment, it seems basically that the Ukrainians are mostly just giving up the bases. Ukrainian officers leaving the base is what everyone's basically been expecting now for about 2 weeks. And it's quite significant that after Vladimir Putin spoke yesterday saying that Crimea was now officially part of Russia, while you had a lot of Ukrainian officers who've been blockaded in the Crimean bases for the past few weeks, once the Russian soldiers arrived here, now it seems like everyone is going home, not just at the Ukrainian Black Sea headquarters in Sevastopol, but at other bases as well. There's been one report of a base in Kyiv where there has been some resistance from the Ukrainians, but otherwise it seems like most are ready to go home. Courtney Weaver, Financial Times, Sevastopol.